Okay, I promise this is the last stabilization test with Panasonic S5IIX this week. So this time Insta One R versus Panasonic S5IIX with 18mm. Some time ago I established that this one got the best stabilization in the game. So I won't comment on the results, just check yourself and let me know in the comments which one got better stabilization or which one would you choose, because on the Panasonic I bet there would be better image quality. Okay, so this is just a stabilization test. Panasonic S5IIX versus Insta One R 4K mode, and some time ago I have established that this Insta got the best stabilization. You can imagine, although at the expense of the image quality, colors and dynamic range, and there are sometimes some large artifacts. So I'm testing the basic stabilization. I don't want any additional steps. I just want the stabilized footage out of the camera. So let's see. Anyway, now it's more even terrain than the test versus Sony, but I'm gonna move faster then. And there seems some obstacles on the ground, so this is kinda normal walking pace, and I'm not preserving 180 degrees rule. Yeah, I don't think it does matter that much. I think there is less corner wobbliness when you're in aperture priority mode, but the shakes are more pronounced. So if the stabilization is very good, then it doesn't matter. And it's 18mm f1.8, and I would try to move faster. Hand swap, which is the crucial thing. I think they still see the Panasonic in the frame. Moving fast hand swap, and we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna test the lens with the optical stabilization too, why not? Okay, one additional test, this time with image stabilization in the lens. I'm not sure there are any native L-mount lenses with image stabilization, so this one is adapted 24 Canon with image stabilization f2.8. 24 should be okay on the tripod. Okay, so this time is Insta One R versus Panasonic S5IIX, but with Canon 24 with optical image stabilization. I'm not sure that autofocus works okay, because it jumps between my face and my body, and it seems like my face is kinda blurred, so maybe it does not work correctly. Now that hand swap was terrible, so I wonder how it's gonna look like. Okay, going strong. Now it seems that autofocus works better, but I'm not sure. I would check this later. I was walking kinda carefully, although hand swaps are just random. And I think that stabilization on that thing would be the best, but I will be sure when I review the footage. So I think one more lap with a faster pace. I'm totally not walking carefully, it's just normal walk, and we'll see if there is any corner wobbliness or not. And again, no 180 degrees shutter rule, it's just aperture priority on Panasonic, probably the same for Insta, and we'll see. I try not to trip on the shit on the ground, and now I'm going to review the footage. I wonder if lens stabilization is better or not. We'll see. Cheers, mate.